The latest DJI Fly app 1.9.8 is now available on the iOS App Store. The time of filming this is not available on Android or the DJI RC, but if you use your phone like an iPhone, it's available now on the App Store to go out and download this or update it. So what does this actually bring? Well, this brings support for basically the DJI Avata, some new goodies. And firstly, it's going to bring support to the new DJI goggles Integra. So different to the original goggles 2 that we saw with the DJI Avata, this is going to give you a headband, but with a battery built into it, which is a great addition. I've been asking for this for ages, because now you have to have your goggles on the goggles 2 or the original DJI goggles, and you have this battery either dangling down or in your pocket. It's just not mega convenient, whereas now it's going to be built in, so that's a great feature. It has 1080p OLED screens, and it also allows you to do Wi-Fi streaming as well. So those are the new goggles, and it also adds support for a new motion controller. So the new DJI Motion Controller 2, this is going to have a reverse function on it, so you're going to be able to send your drone backwards just by the motion controller. And it also has a joystick, whereas the original one has no joystick. Now you're going to be able to do things like dart the drone left and right just with this joystick here, and it's good. Now the motion controller, it's not going to give you the full FPV experience. For that, you're better off picking up the actual dedicated controller. But it is good for a more relaxed feel, and also someone who's never flown FPV before. You can literally just control the drone all in your wrist. It's really fantastic and intuitive using this. So the new DJI Motion Controller 2 is now supported within this Fly update. And both the Integra goggles and the Motion Controller 2 are going to come part of a new Explorer combo. It's going to be available from today, so that you can pick that up on the DJI website. So that's basically what's supported, why this Fly update is there. And this bit you need to not get too excited about, because I did at first. It says supports streaming goggles live view via the DJI Fly app. Now when I first read that, I was like, yes, finally, I can get my goggles, I can get my Mini 3, and I can view my Mini 3 footage through these goggles. And when that day comes, that's going to be a good day. It's not here yet. So that's basically just in relation to these new goggles for the DJI Avata, which is great. Hopefully one day it'd be fantastic we have that ability to use these goggles too, or any of the DJI goggles, with the Mini series or the Mavic series. Come on, it's got to be soon. And then it goes on to say it fixes certain issues and overall app quality. What does this mean? Well, it says this on every single app update. So if you've been having any issues with your DJI Fly app, just go and update it. Hopefully any issues, bugs have been resolved. If you haven't, you might as well update anyway. It doesn't bring anything new to the Mini 3 Pro or the Mavic, but I've tested this, I've done a few test flights, and it's been working absolutely spotless. So version 1.9.8 is now out. This is what it brings. It's basically an update for the new goodies available for the DJI FPV drones. So I'll be doing some more tests with this, but I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new around here. Loads more content coming, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.